Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Images and video play a critical role in driving engagement with online content. And today we're going to review the different ways that you can work with images and video inside of Blaze. If this video helps you at all, give it a like so others can find it just as easily as you did. Let's start with uploading and storing images inside of Blaze. First, and maybe the most obvious section to explore, would be the Uploads tool located in the sidebar. This is also known as the media library across the app. By simply clicking the Uploads section in the sidebar, you can see any media that you've previously created or uploaded. If you want to add some videos or images here, simply click Upload, navigate to your media, select it, and then upload it to your account. You can upload one file at a time, or select multiple files to upload at once. The next area you can manage images and video content in is your brand kit. By selecting the brand kit category from the sidebar, then opening up a brand kit, you'll see an area called Images and Videos. This works similarly to the Uploads and Media Library section we just covered. Simply click Upload and add your media. This is a great way to tailor your brand kit to a specific audience or persona. Maybe you have a version of your brand kit that is tailored to a more youthful and edgy audience. Storing images and videos that you want to use with that specific version of your brand kit will make it easier to access when you generate content. Some of our users will do this with each of the demographics that they market to. Okay, so that covers adding your own images and videos in Blaze. Now let's move on to using them. I have a design open here in Blaze Designer. Click Media to access the videos and images. The sidebar pops out, and here you can explore the different ways to access and use images. At the top, you can upload images. Below that is the AI image generator. And if you click that button, a popover window will appear where you can add in a text prompt and Blaze will create the image that you're asking it to create. We already have a video on how to use the AI image generator that'll pop out right here if you want to watch it. I'm going to go ahead and click out of this window though. Next, you'll see some image galleries. And if you have images added to your brand kit, that gallery will appear at the top. Clicking an image will add it to your canvas. Clicking See All will show you all of the images and videos that you have added to your specific gallery. Next is the media library, or that upload section we covered first, and this works the same way. Below that is the stock video gallery. This is included with your Blaze subscription. You can use the search tool to look for stock videos that could work for your post. If you see something you like, click it and it'll add to your canvas. Below that is the stock photo gallery, and it works just like the video gallery as well. You can search for an image and then click it to add it to your canvas. Okay, so that covers Blaze Designer. Now let's jump over to Blaze Documents so I can show you how to work with images and videos over there. Inside of Blaze Documents, you can access your images by clicking Elements, then Image. But because this is an Instagram post that I previously created and is already scheduled, I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Post Content, and then click the Add Images or Videos button down here to add another image. From here, you'll see generally the same options as before to work with images and videos, just arranged a little bit differently. Here, you can upload, generate with AI, and add a link to an image that's online somewhere. You also have previews of the various galleries down below. Some sample images generated with AI, your brand kit, uploads or media library, stock photos, stock videos, and more. Just click on an image to select it, then click Insert Image to add it to your document. Now it's added that image as a second image to the post. Okay, now you know all about the different ways that you can use images and videos inside of Blaze. This should give you a strong foundation to generating some amazing content that engages with your audience. Make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.